Hi guys, this is Julia again giving updates for the different current hirings posted by the different agencies bound for abroad. And this time, I will show you the current hirings for bound for Maldives. So I'm not sure for how much is the salary for Maldives, guys, and um, just for an information, guys, that I'm not an agent, or I'm not a recruiter, or I don't have any connections to these agencies, and I don't have any commissions for all of these. But it is just my way of helping those who are looking for job, because I know, guys, that in the Philippines it's quite expensive for doing browsing for the internet. Okay, so I hope through this I can give a little bit of help for those looking for. Okay, so these postings is posted by JPM 88 International Manpower Services. So date posted was last June 23 to, so the application is until July 22 for all of these jobs. Okay, so they are in need of AC technician, which are 5 vacancies. HVAC technician, 10 vacancies. Sales and marketing, 10 vacancies. F&B server, 20 vacancies. Housekeeping attendant, 20 vacancies. Alright, so it's offered by JPM 88 International Manpower Services Incorporation Agency. Okay, so let's take a look first for the legality of this agency. So we are here, and I am here in the POEA website, where we can check for all the legal accredited agencies who is catering all the applications for abroad. So it says here to approve job orders by agency as of June 22, June 24, 2020, and agency is JPM 88 International Manpower Services Corporation. Okay, so this agency is legal for sure. So we can see here their postings in the POEA, country, position, date, approved job orders. Okay, so Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Saudi, Maldives, Saudi Arabia, Hong Kong, Maldives. So I think we're catering for Maldives, guys, for this agency. Okay, now let's take a look for the additional information for all of these jobs. Okay, AC technician, aircon services company, principal project. So this is the address for this agency. JPM 88 International Manpower Services. Address is room 305, Jalisco Terraces, 1148 Rojas Boulevard, Ermita, Manila, Metro Manila, Philippines. So their contact numbers is 0917-109-2538. Okay, qualifications for these AC technicians is male, 25 years old and above, with or without experience, Filipino, at least bachelor's college degree. The technician is responsible for inspecting, installing, and maintaining electrical and electronic components of all types of air conditions, including VRV and VRF central AC systems. Technician work is mainly for private and business premises, including small residential buildings. With benefits: have free and accommodation, have food allowance of 100 USD per month, must be BS in Industrial Technology or BS Mechanical with 2 years experience. For HVAC technician, 10 vacancies. Qualifications is for male, 25 years old and above, with or without experience, at least bachelor's college degree. Technician is responsible for inspecting, installing, and maintaining electrical and electronic components of all types of air conditions, including VRV and VRF central AC systems. Technician work is mainly for private and business premises, including small residential buildings. Benefits: mobile load allowance and with food allowance with free accommodation plus the basic salary. Must be a BS Industrial Technology or BS Mechanical or any equivalent course. Another is sales and marketing. So there are 10 vacancies for this job. Principal project, hospitality supplier company. Qualifications: so female, 23 years old and above, with or without experience, at least bachelor's college degree. So must be knowledgeable in sales and marketing, especially hospitality products and supply. Willing to be assigned anywhere in Maldives with commission and sales benefits. Another is F&B server. There are 20 vacancies for this. The qualifications: male or female, 23 years old and above, minimum of 2 years experience, Filipino, at least college level. So must have 2 years experience in any hotel, restaurant, and resort establishment. Willing to be assigned anywhere in Maldives with good English conversation and communication. Prepared in graduated from hotel and restaurant management or equivalent. Okay, another is housekeeping attendant. So there are 20 vacancies for this job. So principal project, hotel and resort company, EST. Qualifications: male or female, 23 years old and above, with or without experience, at least college level, undergraduate. Must have 2 years experience as housekeeping. Willing to be assigned anywhere in Maldives. Alright guys, so these are the different hirings, current hirings bound for Maldives. And thank you for your time watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And this is Julie again. Have a great day. Bye bye.